Fault finding. Establishing resistance. Establish the resistance of the fault using an ohm meter. Use an ohm meter as opposed to an insulation tester. Measure the resistance of all conductors to each other and to ground. The ohm meter will only register readings between faulty conductors. The reading gives an indication of what you're likely to encounter when using the buried line locator to pinpoint the fault. If the fault has low resistance, anywhere between a few ohms and 50,000 ohms, the reading on the receiver of the buried line locator will drop to a very low level and possibly to zero at the fault. If the fault has high resistance above 50,000 ohms, the reading on the receiver of the buried line locator will drop at the fault but is unlikely to reach zero. In other words, the lower the resistance of the fault, the lower the signal reading on the receiver at the fault. If possible, perform resistance tests from both ends of the cable. The resistance reading may differ when looking at the fault from each end of the cable. If so, connect the transmitter to the end with the lowest resistance reading.